Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Boss of Charles here. Today I'll be teaching you how to set up subscriber alerts, Twitch follower alerts, and donation alerts, all on OBS. It's really easy and really simple, so all you gotta do is go over here, open up Chrome, get rid of that, open up Chrome, go to streamlabs.com. Now you're probably thinking, well, this isn't OBS, this is Streamlabs OBS, and you're completely right. It's a lot easier to do it with this, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it for OBS. But if you guys do want to do it with Streamlabs because it's a lot easier, there will be a link down in the description down below so you guys can download it. Anyways, you just want to go to login because you're not going to download it, well, unless you want to do it. It's a lot easier, but you don't have to. And then go down to alert box. It's under widgets right here. Once it loads. Hello? There we go. And then you're going to want to see where this little thing says widget URL. You're going to copy that. You could also change the settings, like you could have it to where it's different with the image in the background, or the GIF in the background with the text over it. Or you could just change the specific one. So if you wanted to say custom meshes or something, like for mine, when I have someone donate, it just says name donated, amount, thanks so much. And then it has this little default GIF because I haven't made one yet, which I need to do. But anyways, you just want to have that link copied. You want to go over to OBS, go to sources, press add, and then press browser. Let's just name this hello Taco Bell. Why not? Oh god, I have my mouse. And then you're gonna want to delete this URL right here, paste this in, and you want to move this right into the middle. Now you're probably wondering, well, I don't want to wait until someone does it, I want to see if it works. So you just want to go back to Google Chrome. Let's do test merch, why not? Come back over here, and then it'll say name bot product, enjoy your new favorite product. That's how I set mine up. If you come over to here, you could also set up different stuff, like so you could put name, about product, enjoy your new favorite product. So you could have it to where it's like, it just, with these alerts, it makes people want to subscribe more because they, get like that little thing and it makes them feel special. And it also makes people want to donate more. It could lead to more donations, more subscribers, more sponsors, more just really everything in general, really. And it's just so easy. I don't know why more people don't use it. You could even use this on OBS. It makes it really easy to use on OBS. And this is basically the end of the video, but I'm going to say a word from our sponsors because, why not? So the first one we have up here is Fatal Grips, and they sell tons and tons of stuff for every gaming necessity. They sell PC items, PS4 items, Xbox items. They sell cases for they sell cases for your remotes. They sell controller or console skins for your PlayStation 4. They sell keyboards. They sell mice, well, not live mice, but PC mice. They sell energy stuff. They sell tons of gear. You could even get sponsored with them, like how I am, and they're just really awesome. So if you go to cart, all you gotta do, I really want to buy this actually in real life, and then you just gotta go to checkout to whatever you want to buy, and then come over here into this little corner, gift card or discount code, and just put boss, or no, wait, I was about to type in something else. It's random boss. And then you click apply, and boom, you just got 10% off your order, and it's 10% off your entire order, not just one item. So say you bought something that's $100, you bought $100 worth of items. That'll take off $10, which is actually really, really good because, it's $10 you guys saved. And also you can do the same thing on bossboxes.shop. It works the exact same way. I'm not going to go through the thing because I'm pretty sure you guys don't care at this point. Pretty sure no one's even watching this point because everyone saw the tutorial and is like, okay, I don't care anymore. Not going to watch it. Don't care about anything else you have to say. And that's where I'm going to end the video out here. Peace, guys.